Today I'm building a full AI website, copy, visuals, animations in under 15 minutes, and I'm doing it using three tools: Claude for design and content, Higgsfield MCP for generating all the media, and Antigravity as the IDE, where it all comes together. I wanted to test how far you can push this stack, so I'm building it live step by step so we can see exactly what's possible. Now let's get into it. The first thing which you want to do here is to connect this thing, so Higgsfield MCP, to your Claude client. And it's super easy to do. You can also go to this website, and I will also put it in the video description down below. And here we already have the first step. Open Claude settings and go to connectors. So here inside Claude, you can go here down below, click on your username, and then here click on settings. Then down below, click on connectors and click on customize right here. Then you can see that I have Higgsfield already added, but if you want to add it your own, you will have to click here on plus and select add custom connector. Now for the name, you will go back here to this website, copy here the name Higgsfield, just like this, and paste it inside. Now for this remote MCP server URL, you will have to go here, copy this link right here, and then paste it simply here. Now click add. Wait for a few seconds, and then here you will see you're not connected to Higgsfield yet. Click on connect and then make sure that you sign in with your account. Now, once you are signed in, I highly recommend here under the interactive tools that you pretty much put here the check mark next to the generate image and generate video. And that is pretty much it for Higgsfield MCP. This is the simplest way you can connect it to Claude here. And now we can go here to chat. So let's go to the new chat. Now, one thing which I will do here, I will go to Google and search for Pro Max UI skill. This is super important. Let's go here to this website, copy the link to this GitHub, and this is pretty much the skill for the UI which we're gonna use for our website, and it can create some really crazy looking websites. Now let's go back here to Claude. This is what I'm going to ask Claude here. Use this skill. Please use this skill for the website prompt. This will be an animated website. It will have a character which will also be animated. Now create a prompt and also generate similar character to the provided one. Now here I already have an image, so let's go here and click on add files or photos, and this is the character which I have. It is with black background because it's transparent. Now here for the character, I will ask it make sure that the character is Valorant inspired and generate with Higgsfield MCP. So simple as that. Let's click here on arrow and wait for a few seconds, and it will automatically here connect to Higgsfield MCP, and it will generate here the images straight in this chat. So here you can click on always allow. Let's just wait for a few seconds, and then you can see here that Claude already read here the UI UX Pro Max skill, which is going to use it for this animated website. And here we already have the character. I think it looks pretty good. So now I will click here on download, and let's click here on open link, right click and save image as, and then click here on save. Now here I will stop the Claude. I need only a prompt for a website with this character. And I can see here that this image was actually generated with Higgsfield MCP. Super easy to use here inside Claude AI. And now here it is actually generating here me a prompt for this website. Now this is the image I got from Higgsfield MCP or the Higgsfield. I will also have to remove here the background. So let's go back here to the Claude. Let's go here to the next website, and here I will search for Adobe background remover. So let's go here to this website, upload your photo. Let's click here on upload your photo, select the one which Higgsfield generated. Adobe Express is uploading the media, and this is our character. Now I will click here on download, and let's click here on the download button, and now it should have the transparent background. Here I will go back to the Antigravity IDE where we're gonna generate this specific website. Now here I'm going to ask it, please use this design skill for the website, and just like this. And here I'm going to use here Gemini 3.5 Flash High, and here I will paste in the link of the skill. So this is the skill. Let's just paste it inside like this, and now it will start to work. Now, meanwhile, this is doing its thing with the skill. We can go here back to the Claude, and here I will copy this full prompt. Here you will click on yes and always allow git clone, click on submit, And now here you can see that we already have the folder with this skill inside. So that is pretty cool. Now here it already gave me the implementation plan, but now here I will paste in inside this prompt Claude gave me. And here I will go to media and input the media as well, which I would generated with Higgsfield MCP. So here I gave it this character I got from Higgsfield, and now we can click here on arrow and let's see what will Antigravity do. So now this is our full implementation plan Antigravity gave me. So implementation plan Cypher, Valorant inspired agent portfolio fan site. We will build an ultra premium interactive single file web application for Cypher, a Valorant inspired agent portfolio. The site will feature a sleek cyber military HUD design combining CSS scanline overlays, custom cursors, glitch hover effect, and interactive SVG panels. And I think I'm happy with this. So pretty much this is the prompt. And then here we also have the character image Higgsfield generated. Here I will click on proceed, and now let's just wait for a few seconds until it's finished. Now Antigravity finished creating a website, and let me show it to you pretty much. So this is the website, and I think it looks pretty clean, to be honest. So here we have our character, and it's right here. We have tactical abilities, and overall it looks super clean and animated, as you can see. So in my book, I think this is a win. It also has this weapon, which is right here. And when I hover my mouse over it, it has this slight interaction, and it has this square custom cursor. So I think that the website as a whole looks pretty cool, and it works straight out of the box. And remember, this was actually one-shotted, and this is the character the Higgsfield MCP actually generated for me. Now, I believe so we could make it slightly more animated. So here I will go to Claude, and I'm going to ask it one more time. Create another prompt to enhance the website with animations and sophisticated interactions. Animate the character as well if possible. So let's click here on send and wait for a few seconds. And then here we have the enhancement prompt. So we have character animation system, which I hope it will work super well. So remember, this is our first version of the website, which was one-shotted. And in my opinion, it already looks pretty clean, to be fair. And now here we already, I believe so, have another prompt. So character animation system, looping always active. Now we can just copy the prompt like this. We have also scroll interaction system as well. So let's go here down below. I believe so it's still generating ability cards, stat bars on enter. So it already looks a very sophisticated prompt. We have buttons and CTAs as well. So I guess it will also add some of the sounds here to the website. So let's just copy it like this, and let's go here back to Antigravity IDE, paste this inside and click on send, and hopefully this will actually make this website even better than it is. Let's click here on proceed and wait for a few seconds here. And now here, this is much better. You can see here that the character also moves, as you can see with the interactions of the mouse. We have here slight interactions of the buttons here as well, which I think looks pretty cool. And here, if we go to weapon, we have the slight interactions, and you can see here that the ammunition is actually going out from the gun here. So overall, I'm quite happy here with the website design. Overall, I think it looks pretty damn good. So yeah, this is how you guys can generate full AI generated websites by using here Claude and also Higgsfield MCP. And then with the addition of the Antigravity IDE, you can actually create something that it's that good. So I will put a link for Higgsfield MCP if you want to check it out in the video description down below. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like down below as well. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I will talk to you guys in the next one.